Hello and welcome back to the Weekend Soft-Roading channel. Today we're going to talk about these Rhino rack crossbars. I got these crossbars to replace my eBay crossbars because they were actually cracking under 2 years of light usage. Light usage meaning I'm putting maybe 95 to 100 pounds of stuff on top. The eBay listing did say that it can withhold 155. Highly doubt it because it was cracking where the mounts were, so I wouldn't trust that because I am planning on adding more weight, so that's why I changed it to these Rhino racks. I've had these Rhino racks for about maybe 4 months now and they've held up really well. They are a lot more solid than the eBay ones that I have, and the mounting is very easy because I could just change, if I wanted longer bars I could just change these out to a longer bar, but this is what the kit comes with. For the kit you will need a base plate, so something to mount to the actual CRV, and then the actual mounting itself, so the thing that actually mounts to the crossbar, and then the crossbar itself. So I'll list everything down below, but so far I really like it. It's a lot more solid than those eBay ones. Again, trusted company, and I'll talk about some of the capabilities here that I like. What I like about these mounts is that it is lockable, so you can lock it, and then you could also lock this side as well. So if you did want to put accessories on, you could certainly put accessories, and I'll show you what that looks like. But the eBay one was not lockable. This one is lockable, so no one can actually take these crossbars from you. So you take this out by putting a special key in there and turning it, but with that taken out you could put your T-bolts in the rack itself. You just have to cut this to size, and then from there you can put up whatever accessory that you want. The accessories that I have, again, is my box and then also a basket as well as an awning, but the awning is attached to the basket, so I don't put it directly on this. But if you see from my other videos, I do have everything on the roof. So overall I really like these Rhino racks. Again, much stronger than the old eBay ones. So the weight rating on this is 160 pounds for both these, and then the total that it can support is 220 pounds. So I can trust these, and it is modular, so if something breaks I could just replace that one part from Rhino rack. So it is much more modular than the other one. Anyways, that is all for this quick review of the Rhino rack crossbars. Again, everything is going to be linked down below, but let me know what your thoughts are. Like, subscribe. I will talk to you soon.